Hello sewing friends. Welcome to my first vlog. Vlog of course stands for Virginia's Log. Well, why not? I want to document the things that I do in between sewing projects. Projects that are directly or indirectly related to the sewing projects themselves. Things that might be interesting to you and fun for me to do and explain, but they're just difficult to fit into the regular sewing tutorials. One of the first things I wanted to talk about is dyeing your own fabric. For this last sewing project that I posted, I was looking for a salmon pink color for lining fabric, and I wanted to see if I can get away with dyeing just what I need. Where I live, the red dye for regular cotton fabric is anywhere from $3 to $5 each. There's a pretty extensive color chart on Red's website, and I decided on this Hilltop Poppy because it only needed 2 different colors to mix. I'm not using the stovetop method, but I decided to boil the water for the dye bath because the tap water is just not hot enough. I did not wash the fabric before the dyeing process because I've already cut them out. The fabric pieces that I put in here are 100% solid white quilting cotton. I also threw in a couple of pieces of what I thought to be cotton webbing, but they were obviously not cotton because the color just didn't take. For the first 10 minutes, you have to stir your dye bath with material in it constantly. After that, we let it stay in there for another 20 minutes, so a total of 30 minutes. After they air dried for about 3 hours, I did my best to iron out the wrinkles. Overall, I'm really happy with how well the pieces turned out. Even the webbing had managed to pick up some color. If you hadn't already, check out this tutorial on how to sew this cute little toad. See you on the next one. Bye!